guys, welcome to day 3 of the Dare Square ride celebrating INS Run Vijay and the Pulsar INS 400. Parked right behind me is my bike, the White Ranger, and all prepped with the tank bag and the helmet and the gear. So we are heading today from Bhubaneswar to Simlipal National Park, and that is a tiger reserve. It is one of the famous locations to go to for safari as well, and that is planned later in the day or maybe tomorrow. But today distance is less, around 260 kilometers, but the roads are very tricky. It's going to be a single lane road, broken road, lot of road construction going on, as well as off road as well. So, and it is a jungle area, so there will be no signal for the phone or to use maps, so it's better to stick together, and let's hope we all reach safely. Okay, good to go. To Simlipal National Park. So the sad fact about the gear that you see here being worn by the naval officers is actually not available to be bought for the regular people out there. It's just made for this ride. So that's a sad fact. I hope I had again yesterday shared the feedback to launch this through their stores. It will be a instant hit. A lot of people would buy. So I don't know. It's a decision from the management. So you gotta wait it out. But for now, it's not available on sale. Abba వచ్చేసాడు మనోడు. అందరూ ఒక పాజిటివ్ వైబ్ వస్తుందండి మనకి. జనాలు తెలియని వాళ్ళు వచ్చి హాయ్ చెప్తుంటే మంచిగా అనిపిస్తుంది. విష్ చేస్తారు. థమ్స్ అప్ ఇచ్చిండు ఆ తమ్ముడిందారు. వచ్చాడు రారాజు మహారాజు వస్తాడు ఇప్పుడు చూడండి స్క్రీన్లోకి. Here we have the lead rider. We have Ashish here, and it's been amazing riding along these guys because they're very disciplined from the core, and also get to learn a lot of values from them, and sticking together, not leaving anyone behind, and also enjoying the ride and standing up for a cause. This is what this ride signifies. So we have Ashish, we have also the tail rider Tambe. So first, Ashish, is this the first time you're riding the NS 400Z?
Yes, this is the first time I'm riding this bike. Earlier, I remember when I was in my 12th class, like when I turned 18,
Okay.
The first drive that I drove was Pulsar 150. Then after that, I was driving 220. So this is the first time I'm driving this 400cc bike of specifically Pulsar. But what I feel is like reaching 80, what I've seen generally in normal bikes, when the speed reaches 80 or 90, there is like a little bit of vibration that you can feel on the handle.
Okay.
In this bike, I feel like the vibration is like very less, very minimal.
Okay.
So when it's that smooth that when we are driving on highway, I am reaching a speed of 90. Like I'm not able to get to know, like मेरे को जो पता नहीं चल रहा है कि we have reached that speed. And I feel this ride is very amazing that all our guys are riding together in groups too, very good formation. So I'm very much enjoying this ride.
So तांबे सर और मैं आखिर में हमेशा लास्ट में रहते हैं, मेकिंग श्योर दैट नो वन इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. बट द डिसिप्लिन एंड द काइंड ऑफ the core values which they stand by is hats off. And we've been to INS Chilka, where the trainees become the actual soldiers or part of the Navy, and the kind of training they go through, that's absolutely phenomenal. So पहली बात तांबे जी, आप ये पहली बार ऐसे लॉन्ग राइड पे आ रहे हैं, नहीं तो इससे पहले आप जा चुके हो?
नहीं, मैं वैसे पहले लॉन्ग ड्राइव बहुत कर चुका हूँ थ्रू आउट द महाराष्ट्र।
अच्छा।
एज आई बिलोंग टू मुंबई, सो मेरा ट्रैवलिंग बाइक्स के लिए प्रति ज़्यादा प्यार है।
अच्छा,
तो इसलिए मैं ऐसे राइड कर चुका हूँ, लेकिन एज ए फॉर्मेशन मैं पहली बार राइड कर रहा हूँ पहले। और जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे जो राइड हो रहा है अभी विद द पल्सर, द एक्सपीरियंस इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी 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 गुड। मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत।
अच्छा, एक और बात बोलिए तामिर जी कि आप ये पल्सर पहली बार चला रहे हो, नहीं तो जो आप लॉन्ग राइड्स पे जाते थे इससे पहले आप कौन सी गाड़ी पे जाते थे?
एक्चुअली आई हैव अ ZMR 225cc, और लेकिन मैंने पल्सर बहुत चलाई हुई है। द पल्सर क्रेज़ केम फ्रॉम 150, द स्टार्टिंग 150। उसके बाद जो इंडिया में उसका क्रेज़ आया कि इंडिया में कोई स्पोर्ट्स बाइक नहीं है, तो पल्सर ने पूरा धूम मचा दिया। फिर उसके बाद पल्सर स्टैंड में ही नहीं आ गया, तो उसके बाद तो और क्रेज़ आ गया उसका।
तो वी मेड इन इंडिया बाइक इज गिविंग जापानीज बाइक्स एंड अदर इंटरनेशनल बाइक्स रन फॉर द मनी। आपको प्राउड महसूस हो रहा है एज अ इंडियन मोटर हेड?
एज ए इंडियन मोटर राइड हम सोचते थे कि जब फॉरेन कंट्री से कोई बाइक आती थी तो वो बहुत महंगी थी। बहुत महंगी है, वी कांट अफोर्ड दैट 7-8 लाख रुपीज़। बट वही चीज़ अगर आपको एक लो बजट में अच्छी सस्ती बाइक मिल रही है जो हवा से भी बात कर रही है, और आपकी इन सिटीज़ भी बहुत कंफर्ट है, लो मेंटेनेंस वाली है, तो आपको इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
So we're all set to head to the jungle. Literally, it's gonna be fun. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of an adventure. And so far, the roads have been extremely good. And that makes the ride all the more enjoyable. They have given speed breakers all over the place. You can check on the speed. Wow, lovely, lovely place. Oh, it's like a corner heaven. Oh wow, man, beautiful. The road just keeps getting better and better. Oh god, it's just afternoon and it's almost like evening time, just before sunset. It's going dark pretty quickly. It's better we reach the place before it's dark.
Lovely trees, overcast, clouds. Perfect, conducive environment for shooting or for photographs. Wow, 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 wow. చాలా బాగా అంటే రోడ్ వేసిన విధానము చాలా నీట్గా వేశారు. ఎక్కువ हेवी व्हीकल्स इट एलो కాబట్టి మనకి रोड नीट का क्लीन గా ఉంది. तो अपने लिए जो बिरयानी बनता है, जो जितना अपन एंजॉय करते हैं गाड़ियों को, जो ये टारमैक मिले तो काफ़ी है जी. इतना ब्यूटीफुली लेड आउट टारमैक, because I don't think we have any heavy vehicles plying here. The road is very well spick and span. Let's look at it. It's so well maintained. The bike is enjoying this ride every bit, inch by inch, because the road with curves and twisties is like the perfect meal for a good sport bike. Oh man, imagine coming here during the rainy season. It's all gonna be completely green. Now it's all dried up.